Hi everyone, my name is Sadal Cosmos, founder of Website School and also Sir Cosmos World. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to design YouTube thumbnail faster from canva.com. And after watching this video to the very end, you'll be able to design any YouTube thumbnail faster from canva.com. Before we start, please like and subscribe to this channel so as to get notification when I post a new video. Let's get started. In order to do that, we'll log into uh, Chrome and search for canva.com. Click on search. Now I already have an account with them. If you don't have an account, you quickly create your own section. But if you guys can see, I already have an account. It says welcome or down. All you need to do is to go to this section and type in YouTube thumbnails and wait for it to load. As you can see here, we have thousands of thumbnails, hundreds of them. All you need to do is to select the one you like to use. So for the purpose of this class, we'll just pick one and design it. I'll be going with this. Once it's open, all you need to do is to select your picture. I'd like to remove this particular picture. Removed it and upload a picture of mine. I'll use this. I would say can adjust it to the way you want. I like to bring this forward. Okay. Now let's come to this side and edit. uh, right up. I like to reduce the size. Something of this nature is okay. And let's change the background color and have it to be something of this nature. I think this is okay. So think this is okay. We can also change the color if we want to something of this nature. But that's still, let's leave it the way it was before. Okay. And I think it's okay. So and click download. Make sure that it is on PNG format, file type, and also you click download. As you can see, it has what been downloaded. So this is how you can be able to design any YouTube thumbnail faster from Canva. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.